Ready to get paid in Bitcoin but don't want to deal with the hassle of converting it into cash? Well, what if I told you there's a simple, straightforward way to do just that, a way that combines the best of both worlds, the freedom of crypto and the security of a traditional bank account? Getting paid in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency can be a bit of a maze, especially if you're new to the game. You might have heard about crypto wallets, exchanges, and all sorts of technical jargon that makes your head spin. It often feels like you need to be a blockchain wizard just to receive a few satoshis. But it doesn't have to be that complicated. Today, we're going to dive into the easiest way to receive Bitcoin using an all-in-one platform called Bitwala. Think of it as your one-stop shop for crypto and fiat money. Bitwala gives you a German bank account with an IBAN, which means you can receive payments just like you would with any other bank. The real magic, though, is how seamlessly it integrates Bitcoin. ### setting up your Bitwala account. The first step is to set up your Bitwala account. Go to their website or download the app. The sign-up process is pretty standard. You'll need to provide some personal information, like your name, address, and a valid ID. Bitwala is a regulated bank, so they have to follow strict Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. This might feel a bit slow, but it's what makes it a secure and reliable platform. Once you're verified, you'll be given a brand new German IBAN. This is your personal bank account number that you can use for regular transactions, just like with any other bank. ### receiving Bitcoin payments. Now for the main event, receiving Bitcoin. You have a few options here. The simplest way is to share your Bitcoin wallet address. When you log into your Bitwala account, you'll see a dedicated crypto wallet section. Here, you can find your unique Bitcoin address. It's a long string of letters and numbers that looks a bit like a secret code. Just copy this address and send it to the person or service paying you. They can then send the Bitcoin directly to this address. What's really cool is how Bitwala handles the incoming Bitcoin. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will appear in your Bitwala wallet. From there, you have a couple of choices. You can either hold the Bitcoin in your wallet, hoping its value goes up, or you can instantly convert it into euros. ### instant conversion to euros. This is where Bitwala truly shines. You can convert your Bitcoin into euros with just a few taps. Let's say you receive 0.005 BTC. You can go to the Convert section in the app, select Bitcoin to euro, enter the amount you want to exchange, and hit Convert. The transaction is almost instant, and the euros will land in your German bank account. This means you can get paid in Bitcoin and have cash in your bank account just minutes later. No more waiting days for an exchange to process a withdrawal or dealing with multiple platforms. Everything happens in one place. Once the money is in your euro account, you can use your Bitwala debit card to spend it or transfer it to another bank account. So, whether you're a freelancer getting paid by an international client, a content creator receiving tips, or just someone who wants to dip their toes into the world of crypto without the headache, Bitwala makes it incredibly easy to get paid in Bitcoin and use that money in the real world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.